Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of workflow automation with n8n. If you're a builder, a developer, or just someone who wants to supercharge their productivity, you've probably heard of it. But a big question always comes up. Should you go with the n8n cloud or a local installation using Node.js or using Docker install n8n? Let's break it down. The first option to install n8n locally is using Node.js. If you're a developer and you're interested in self-hosting, you can easily get started with Node.js. First, you need to install the Node.js package in your machine. For that, you can go to official Node.js website and install it. As it is already installed in my machine, I'm not going to install right now. Once everything installed, open the command prompt and type npx n8n start in your terminal. It will automatically install the required packages into your machine. It will show the URL, click on the link, or press so it will open it in the browser. That's it, n8n is ready to use. Welcome to n8n. The second option is install using Docker. Next, we will discuss on how to install n8n using Docker. First up, the self-hosted route. This is where you run n8n on your own machine. The easiest and most recommended way to do this is with Docker. Why Docker? Because it packages n8n and all its dependencies into a neat little container. No more it works on my machine problems. You can check my Docker installation video if you need to. How to get it installed? The process is pretty straightforward. You'll need to have Docker Desktop installed. Once that's ready, a few simple commands will get you up and running. You'll use Docker volume, create n8n underscore data to ensure your workflow data persists. Then, you'll run a command like docker runit, rm, name n8n 5678, 5678 vno8n underscore data, /home /node /n8n docker .n8n.io /n8neo /n8n. This command downloads the n8n image, maps a port from the container to your local machine, and links the persistent data volume. Once the command finishes, you can open your browser and navigate to http://localhost 5678 to start building your workflows. The third option is using n8n Cloud. If you're curious about the cloud option, you can try it out with a 14-day trial. No credit card required. It's a great way to explore all the features of their Pro plan and see how it fits into your workflow. The third option is using n8n Cloud. If you're curious about the cloud option, you can try it out with a 14-day trial. No credit card required. It's a great way to explore all the features of their Pro plan and see how it fits into your workflow. So, stop getting bogged down by the small stuff. With n8n, you can build smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see automated with n8n. See you next time.